Isn't it a beautiful day? Blue sky, although it's kind of cloudy today. But it's a wonderful day in this beautiful place. Look there. Let me see. I find a dinosaur feet. Oh, let me see. Ah, maybe it's true. Maya with our mermaid. So what we're gonna do today, Jamal?
This.
You love who? Who you love? Who do you love? You love me? I love you too, my baby girl. We're waiting on Matthew. Matthew gone back to the car. Matthew went back to the car. Attends, Maya. Attends, je parle un peu. Matthew went back to the car for my friend's son. We're babysitting him today. We'll be babysitting him today. So Matthew went back to the car for Diego. So Diego will be here in the next maybe 15-20 minutes. I'll see you when you get back. And here we go off again. Wow!
One. This. Two.
Yes, Jamal can swim, but I cannot swim.
Three.
Or maybe I can swim.
1, 2, 3. One.
Jamal is level.
One.
But when I take this now, now and John him can't swim. Come for it. Yes, but don't laugh at it because it's the only one that I have.
One, two, three. Étape. Étape 1. Allez, tu rattrapes profond. Étape 2. Pour nager.
The first stage, second stage.
Faire la nage justice si on n'arrive pas. Et si on arrive à faire la nage de la grenouille.
And if Maya never cut up my board, I don't know if you can see somebody out there swimming. But can you imagine if I jump on my board and go out there? So.
Faites comme ça. Vous rampez.
There's an island in the middle of the water.
Vous rampez et dès que vous avez fini de ramper, vous marchez jusqu'à ce que vous en finissez.
Respire, Jamal, respire.
Au revoir les amis.
Say bye bye, friends. I told him to breathe. People, me they have busy sit down. I record me picnic them and I talk. And I didn't realize the floater I blow away. Jamie! Now Jamie will ask them and they say pas grave, Maya, c'est pas grave. Jamie, come back, come. And the boat blow it right in. I figure for you. But let's wait until Mike come back. Jamie, come here, so. Oh, let me show you. Me find the floater here to where it blow it from. Jamie, don't throw anything out in the water. So it blows all the way from over there, from around the corner here, straight here, so. And I would go and take it out now, but I'm afraid to go in the water. The water looks a bit scary. So now I have to wait until Matthew come back. And the thing is, Matthew gone because my friend tell him say should be here in half an hour. So as we reach to the lake, he put on him bag, turn back to the car because you have to park the car at the parking and wow, maybe 5-10 minutes no, 5 minutes by foot to come to the lake. So I had to do all of that, went back to the car and went back to the point where they're supposed to meet for the liquor boy. And she's not there. She's not there. I cannot swim. Yes, I mean, I got to them, I can't swim, I'm in my lake, but I am a overprotective mom, so I now make me pity them go into the water because I come to search the buoy, the floater, and they're here with me. I'm not going to leave them by themselves. All I protect the towel and something. But next time, Maya, if I told you not to touch it, please to obey. Come on, we're going back to the dog. We're going back to Ola. Come, when your father comes, I'm going to take out it. Come, Jamoy, Maya.
Saison pour nager. 1. S'enfoncer. C'est bien, mon mec. Enfonce-toi dans l'eau. Nage. Ouais, nage. Encore. Profond, profond, très très profond. Hein? Attends, elle va venir. Elle vient sous l'eau. Tu vois, elle est belle. Je ne peux pas la voir. C'est autre chose. Ouais. Mais... bouge plus, mon mec.
There go. Yeah. The superhero come to rescue it. Oh, vous arrêtez? Oh, Jamai, arrête de crier, s'il te plaît. I'm a superhero. Thank God. Jamai, Jamai, t'arrêtes.
D'accord.
Oh, my darling, come for rescue the boat. My darling, come rescue the boat. Diego, no. Merci. Mimi, look. Là-bas. Jamai, look, look. No, my yeah, what a worm. No, not to me, don't Diego. Merci. Comment? Digicel. C'est comme Diego, c'est un forfait de téléphone, c'est comme Free ou Orange ou
Ouais, le truc pour la télé.
pour le téléphone. Oh, Jamai, t'as vu ta sœur ou pas?
Ouais.
Mathieu, maybe I will catch frogs now. Should I find a fish?
Vite, trouvez un poisson. Un petit poisson. Arrête. Daddy, vite, viens. J'ai trouvé un poisson vert. Il est là. Tu l'as attrapé?
T'as capé?
Ah. Mets-le dans mon seau. Je sais les attraper.
Ah, bravo, Maya.
Un petit poisson.
Now we are going to do with him. Ah, me can go through a lake, d'accord? You can go through a lake. Eh?
Petit poisson.
Jamal, leave it at my make it turn over.
Petit poisson. Petit poisson.
Jamal.
Petit. C'est mon père qui l'a attrapé. Et j'en ai trouvé. Et c'est moi qui l'a trouvé. Moi après je vais te le voler, je vais le manger, tiens. Moi je vais arrêter.
C'est pas vrai, Maya, c'est pas vrai. Allez, Maya, swim. Swim. Bomba, tu see big fish a while ago, Matthew? You see fish swim going over this a while ago? You're going up in the...
Trouvez deux poissons.
See the right, it's in front of you. In front of you, Matthew, look. I'm more than two. No. Alright, it's him here. Catch him. No, him gone back to Maya. Him gone back to Maya, him pass gone back to Maya. So I like one right here, so I like the one right here, so.
Oh, mais attends, on va trouver un beau poisson là.
Alright, so one big one right there, so Matthew. One big enough one. In here, so. See him there?
Tu l'as attrapé?
Give me it, let me catch him.
Oh,
Give me it, let me catch him. You know if you catch him, huh?
Let me enjoy my life là.
Gros, deux.
Il est là. You can't already down in a deep water. Il est là.
Ah, mais tu vois, ça marche mieux quand Mommy elle est pas là, qu'elle se moque pas de moi, hein.
Because I love to catch fish. Give me, let me catch one here. Give me, let me catch one here, right there, so. Astoria catch. Give it, let me catch him, man. So one big one right here, so. Give me, let me catch him. Make sure we catch it. I tell him, come show if we catch fish. Or real Jamaican catch fish.
Real Jamaican catch fish.
I tell him. Alright, Mathieu, go there, so.
Je veux faire diversion. Moi, je veux faire diversion.
Voila. Look in there, one big one too.
Allez.
Is that how people catch fish? I'm making come out now. Voilà, donnez ici. I might want. Oui.
Sont mignons, sa famille.
Moi, we want papa fish. You want me to catch one of that one for you? We catch fish a while ago. We're not gonna keep them. You catch him? You want big one? Fish or frog? Big one? Well, papa fish, Maya, viens. Vite. In drop out?
Ben ouais.
You should have to go this one more time. I catch too much.
Tu l'as attrapé? Ouais.
Quoi?
Let me turn the side here.
Il veut même pas me mes trucs. Parce que j'ai envie de nager avec.
Jamai,
Ouais.
viens rendre les bouées à ta soeur.
Rends-moi mes bouées. Maya? Hein? Mais qu'est-ce qu'elle a, Maya?
Nobody can cross it.
Huh? Nobody can cross it. Oh, the fisherman. Let's remember that it's up there. They cannot swim, but they cannot cross it. Nobody.
Il y avait des gens qui nageaient comme ça.
Ça, c'est des gens qui savent pas nager.
T'as vu aller encore? Wow! Encore une fois. Alright, lie down back way now. Lie down. Lie down en arrière comme ça.
Avec la bouée.
Pourquoi?
Avec ma bouée. Les bouées.
Attends. Come close to the edge and throw them back. So we take them from the river and now we are putting them in the lake. Say bye bye little fishes.
Bye bye.
Bye bye little fishes. The new home. How are they gone? Nice swim gone already, nene. The new home. There, on y va. C'est fait. Viens.
C'est le petit bout de pain à l'orteil.
Oui, allez vite. Allez, come now.